Hey guys and gals, Mr. Know-It-All here, and I've got a great video for you. I'm going to quell some rumors on fire ants. Many people ask us which one's the best. These are the two best. Which one's the best of the two? It's this one right here. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Thompson. Now, this is good, but we're not going to be using this anymore. It doesn't always get the queen. We've been doing this for years. This is the best you can get. Watch and see what I'm talking about. Let's go get them. All right, so here's a nest right here. They say not to disturb that, but I'm going to do it for the video. And watch what happens when I put the white jug stuff on. Once they get their holes open back up, they'll start taking it right down in there. Within about 10 minutes, this will all be gone. Let's go look at another one. And it only takes a couple pieces and they're all dead. So there you go, my friends. That is the ticket. You'll be glad you used it. It's a little more expensive, but it does the job, and that's what matters. We've never had a nest come back from using the white jug. And as we always say, Mr. Know-It-All, out!